Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like falling in love eye effect on CapCut PC. So get a video, make sure you can kind of see the eye clearly, and add in either this one or this one. I see it a lot with this overlay instead. Go to mask and select circle, and actually let me just scale this a little bit, and I'm just going to zoom in to the eye area like that. Then I'll just go to mask and let's select the circle and kind of like place it here. I'm trying to place the like main heart in the middle, and I'm also going to feather it out just a little bit. Go back to basic and find the one that suits the eye the most. Okay, maybe not overlay because you can't really see that. Maybe the hard light, but just like adjust the opacity on it. Like that is good. And it moves, so we are going to have to mask it. I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to move that to the other eye. Okay, that's perfect. Then we're just going to basically keyframe them. It does take a long time to do, so just add a keyframe in position. And when it moves, you're just going to move the image or the video along with it. Like that. And you're just going to do it till you're done. That's it. It is very tedious, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!